so the QMSR is basically the FDA saying, okay, since 1996, we've learned a lot. We've worked on the international stage to develop standards, and we want to leverage that. We don't want to revise the QSR and try to recreate the wheel, but we really just want to take what is the state of the art standard format for a regulation, for a standard, and we want to adopt that. And so that's really what the QMSR is. The QMSR is the FDA saying we want to leverage the community's acceptance of ISO 13485. And the question I think, we want to think about is also like the timing of it. And I think the last piece of this puzzle was the FDA seeing the success of the MDSAP program, seeing the
Mm.
success of the inspections that were taking place on behalf of the FDA, essentially notified bodies coming in and doing these full-scale MDSAP audits, which would basically include 1345 and a few other global regulations like Anvisa for Brazil or TGA for Australia, right, and a few others. And so I think it was really the culmination of all of these many years and decades, honestly, of the work that FDA has been doing to really become comfortable with medical device manufacturers and knowing that there were shortcomings within the QSR, namely lack of real good governance around risk management. And so so that's really in a nutshell what the QMSR is. The QMSR is a document that is very, very short, in terms of like number of pages of a regulation. I think the QSR was probably around 25 pages or something like that. Now I think the QMSR is 9 pages. And it's just a gap regulation.